Hi everyone, welcome. Today I have Apple AirPods 4 and I'm going to show you how can you easily forget them from your iOS device. At first we have to scroll down to the console panel, then we have to hold our finger on Bluetooth twice. Now we have to click Bluetooth settings. Now as you can see we are connected with our AirPods. We have to click on this info button over here and we have to scroll all the way down to forget this device. Now we have to click forget device. Now there's a monitor over there called "This will remove hard reset AirPods from all these devices signed into your iCloud account." Now we have to click forget device on it, and that's it. Hope it helps you. Goodbye.